guys, thanks for tuning in. Please like and subscribe for more videos. So let's get into it. So right here we have two bundles from my hair collection. The bleach that I'm going to be using is Quick Blue with a 30 developer. As you can see, I'm mixing it up. I'm getting it real good and thick and creamy. You don't want your bleach to be runny. And also you want to lay down a plastic bag before you start this process because it's very messy. So let's go. So right here in the video, you see that I am applying the bleach. I'm also flipping the bundle over on the other side and applying the bleach there as well. You want to make sure that you're getting the bleach on there properly and that every strand of hair is covered in this product. So you're going to keep applying. After a while, you're going to have to get a comb and start raking it through, to make sure that the bleach is going through the strands. Now, as you can see, I'm not sure if you recognize that I'm also spreading the hair apart as I am applying the product. I'm spreading the hair apart and I'm applying more product, and I continue to flip. You have to move your hands very quickly because after a while, the hair will start to swell. So I keep on applying product, keep on applying the bleach on there, and just keep going. And then after a while of applying the bleach, you'll see that the hair will start to change. You want to wrap that up in plastic and let it sit. Right here, I had already went ahead and bleached my knots. I don't have that on record, but if you guys want a video of how to mix the product to bleach the knots, I will go ahead and have that video for you guys. So I went ahead and I did stitch down my frontal, and as you can see the color peeking through the frontal. It's like an ombre blonde, and it has some rusty color in it. I did not use a toner. I only used Quick Blue and a 30 developer. What I also went ahead and did was use the Shimmer Light shampoo. You want to let the Shimmer Light shampoo sit on your bundles for at least 10 minutes. After that, you rinse it out and you put conditioner, let that sit for another 10 minutes, and then you'll go ahead and rinse that through. So this video is for the purpose of showing you how to get this ombre look. This is not a video to show of how to make the wig. If you guys do want to see a video on how to make the wig, I will go ahead and I will upload a video. Here are some clips from the wig unit that I made. Thank you guys for watching.